Yeah, go check it out.
Hi, Scooters! Merry Christmas! What's that?
Look over under the tree.
Did Santa bring you that?
You'll figure it out.
You need to go over there and look.
I mean, there's so much to look at, you know what I mean?
Well, there's only going to be a couple
What?
So much to look at.
To look at?
Kellen, come look.
Over by the tree.
Okay, come here.
That's where Santa leaves his prizes.
Come here, Miss Guy.
Yeah, there's Pop.
Santa brought me a
Hey,
pop.
look, you got an easel to draw on. Hey, come
Come
over
here. Look. What's that? What is that? Huh? We're just giggling.
What is it, baby?
What did Santa bring you? A bike and scooter? Isn't that just what you asked for? Wow. Who is that? Sophia. Wow. Is that your new scooter? And there it goes.
Santa Claus has been here. Yep. Look at that.
Santa did leave you presents.
He came. He promised you he would. If you
Honey,
would
I want to open my pops.
I want to open my pops.
Pops, Mommy.
Sure can, Scoots.
She sure loves her pops, doesn't she?
Thank God.